family, it's your Serenity Rose, and we're back with another vlog. So right now I'm on my way to a doctor's appointment, and that should be quite interesting. And I don't know if I showed you guys my new curve, but I got a Jeep Renegade and I love it. So that is it right there, my baby. I love that freaking thing. So yeah, I'm about to head to the doctor's office right now. They just want to hear the baby's heartbeat. I'm not really sure what I'm gonna do with my hair. I look a hot mess, but yeah, my appointment is for, so it's 10:36 p.m. and my appointment is at 10:45. So now I gotta jet over there. It literally takes me like 5 minutes to get there, but you know, with the red lights and stop sign, and you know, with my look, I get stuck behind slow people. So yeah, my hair looks a hot mess, and after that I think I'm gonna get me a lobster because it's much deserved, and I will take you guys with me for that. Also, I am wearing my lashes in the style Reina, and the link will be in the description bar if you want to purchase. So let me start driving. Okay, so I'm at my doctor's appointment. They have me hooked up to the non-stress test machine. So that is my baby's heartbeat that you hear in the background. And I would show you what it looks like, but I'm really not comfortable showing my stomach. Yeah, no. So I have to stay on this machine for 20 minutes. And it's just to see the baby, see if the baby is moving and active and stuff. So yeah, after this I think I want to go to my job and speak to somebody in HR, because there's no way I'm working with this belly. Nope. I sat down for 5 minutes and it hurts to get back up for like an hour after that. So that is my plan. And then after HR, I'm gonna run to the grocery store and grab me a lobster because it is much deserved. So yeah, I wanted to vlog when I first got here, but I completely forgot. This whole corona thing, there's so many questions that people ask you when you first get to a place, like, oh, have you traveled anywhere, fever, and do you have trouble breathing and stuff. So I just forgot, but yeah, that is the plan. I'm gonna just watch some YouTube videos for the next 20 minutes, and hopefully my child cooperates today, because the last time I came, this is supposed to be only a 20-minute thing, and I ended up staying in the hospital for 6 hours. They ended up bringing me to maternity. So yeah, fingers crossed. I'm pretty sure like 5 to 10 minutes passed. I'm getting super tired. I think it's because of the heartbeat. It's like so soothing to listen to, but I'm like trying to fight my eyes staying open. Help. Okay, so they just came and checked my readings, and of course my child doesn't want to move when she's supposed to. So now I have to go and get an ultrasound, but I'm not having any contractions, so that's good. But the ultrasound hopefully is quick, because anything after that, I can't. I won't do another 6 hours in the hospital for a 20-minute appointment, but I like the ultrasounds, so I'll do the ultrasound. But hopefully that is quick. So it's 11:28 right now, and they're gonna wait until 11:30. Pretty sure they're just scheduling the ultrasound now, so that should be quite fun. And I know she's gonna move when I'm doing the ultrasound, because she loves to kick when they're poking at my belly. Okay, so I just got out of the ultrasound and everything looks fine, so that's good. It's just so frustrating because she won't move when I need her to move, and then I have to stay a whole extra hour to 2 hours to get stuff done just to say, oh, she's fine. Like, I could have told you she's fine. She moves 24/7 at night when I'm trying to sleep, but she's fine. And I was gonna go get myself a lobster, but my boyfriend seems to think that I eat too much seafood, which I honestly really don't. I probably have a lobster every 2 weeks, if that. So I'm just not gonna get a lobster. I'm gonna go get him some McDonald's and my son McDonald's, and maybe I'll pick something up from McDonald's, because rather than eating a lobster that has no carbs, I will have carbs from McDonald's. So there's that. But yeah, I'm on my way to McDonald's right now. So I will pick you guys back up when I am in the drive-thru, which I'm sure is packed because ever since Corona, it's like people don't know how to freaking cook either. So let's bring the drive-thru line out into the street. I'm super pregnant and I'm super cranky. Do you get that vibe from me right now? Because that's the vibe I'm getting. Okay, so like I expected, the drive-thru line was out to the street. So now I'm just waiting to order. There's literally like 10 cars in front of me. But I guess this is my family's lunch. So I'm gonna patiently wait because there's nothing else for me to do. So I think my boyfriend wants a 10-piece large fry and a McChicken. I know my son loves the fries, so I'll get him a large fry, and then I'm probably gonna get a 20-piece. Try to get my son to eat some chicken nuggets. He probably won't. And a medium fry. And I've completely cut soda out. Like, I've been drinking nothing but water for like the past month or two. So I have bottles of water at home, so I'll just drink that when I get home. Yeah, and that'll be our lunch. And then I need to go sanitize some lip gloss tubes because yes, I am going to be making lip gloss and my tubes are gonna be huge. I ordered 20 ml or milliliter tubes, which is freaking huge. Like, I want my lip gloss to last whoever purchases them a while, because I know when you get I know some like lip gloss store, boutique, wherever you get lip gloss from, it's either 5 ml, 8 ml, 10 ml, or 15 ml. So I figured I need to be different. Let me get a super-sized tube of lip gloss. So I'm just waiting for some pigments to come in, but I sanitized those tubes already. I need to sanitize my lip oil tubes because I need to make more of those. But yeah, that's my plans when I get home after I eat. Okay, yeah, my boyfriend just called me and interrupted, so yeah, I'm gonna sanitize my lip gloss tubes, not my lip gloss tubes, my lip oil tubes, and probably make some more lip oils today or tomorrow. But as far as the lip gloss goes, I'm literally just waiting for some pigments for my lip gloss. I already got all the ingredients and stuff. I'm just waiting for those pigments, which should be here hopefully this week. Also, I'm waiting for some business cards so I can throw them in with my packages. I sent out one PR package, I believe. So yeah, I'm super excited. Again, my website will be linked down below in the description bar. It'll be the first link there. I really love these lashes, and I feel like you guys are gonna love them too. I currently have 3 styles of lashes. So I have these, which are called Reina. I have a more fuller one, which is called Dangerous, and then I have a 25 mm lash in the style Flirty. And I tried those on, and I don't know, I tried them on without makeup, and I looked a little crazy. I feel like that's something I gotta get used to. Definitely I have to wear makeup with to make it frame my face a little better, but honestly 25 mm lashes isn't for everybody. So yeah, and all my lashes are pretty affordable. I believe they're all less than 10 bucks. So go check it out, and I believe a discount code down below. So I'm about to order my food. I'll pick you guys back up when I get home and I am eating. I'm about to eat. So I forgot to pick up my camera when I started eating, but I'm done now. And yeah, I'm feeling super tired. So I don't know if I'm gonna sanitize my lip oil tubes today or tomorrow. Yeah, I think I'm gonna take a nap because I'm tired and I'm drained. See you in a few. Okay, so these are the lashes in the style Flirty. These are the 25 mm lashes, and I think they look a lot better with makeup. I tried them on yesterday without makeup, and honey, it was just not working. But I think I might have to trim them down just a bit And they're not super full, so they don't look like spiders or nothing. They are very nice and spaced out. So you can actually still see the eyeshadow through the lashes, which I kind of like. And I mean, if I look up like that, they're obviously touching my eyebrows, but you know, if I look regular, then they look kind of normal. I think they look really nice. Let's see what my son thinks. Look, baby. Look at mama's eyelashes.
Wait.
What do you mean, wait? He just put me on hold. Alright, so I'm going to try to take some product pictures and get these lashes on my site. Because as of right now, I only have Reina and Dangerous. So, yeah, he's trying to take my lollipop. Say hi. Oh, he almost got it. There's nothing left. Do you want one? You want lollipop? Say hi. Say hi. Alright, so I'm gonna go get these pictures taken so I can post them on the website. So if you guys are interested in this style lash, if you are super dramatic, then you can go and get them. Yes, those are eyes. Yeah, if you're into this dramatic style, I got you, sis. I got you. I switched my hair around. I put like half up, half down. I think I look super cuter with these. I don't know, the longer I wear them, the more I'm like, I like these. Comment down below what you guys think. If you prefer Reina on me or if you like flirty. Flirty is these ones, and then Reina is the more toned down ones. I don't know if I'll do 25. I don't know. These are so long. Alright, well, I need to start cleaning and stuff. And I'm not going to vlog that because I got way too much cleaning to do because we are about to move in a few days. So, I mean, we're moving downstairs, but it's still a process. So, I'm going to start cleaning and I'm going to end this vlog here. Okay, so don't mind my hair. I'm going to fix it in a little bit, but today's the next day. I'm currently cleaning before my future stepmother-in-law comes over to watch my son. I have to run to my job and see if they will start my leave now because there's no way I'm working with this belly. I know I said I don't want to show you, but I mean, I feel so disproportioned and I'm not gonna be able to bend down and lift boxes. I feel like my stomach is just getting in the way. So I'm gonna go run, speak to them, see if they can give me leave, and I might get a Lobster because later on I'm gonna go get a haircut. So stay tuned for the hair transformation, sis. So yeah, I got my makeup done already, and I'm just gonna put my hair up in a bun or in a ponytail, and yeah, I'm gonna probably unknot it or straighten it when I come back so it's easy for them to cut when I go get it done. So yeah, right now I'm just trying to vacuum my living room, clean it up, because even though my landlord is my boyfriend's uncle, he's probably gonna want to see how the house looks when we're ready since we're moving right downstairs. So yeah, I'm trying to get the house all clean and whatnot. I'm out of breath. The perks of being pregnant. Also, I'm super nervous for my C-section. It seems like it's just getting closer and closer. I'm 33 weeks and a few days now, and they're gonna do the C-section at 39 weeks. So that means I have 6 more weeks left, or technically like 5.5. So yeah, I'm super nervous. So I will see you guys in the next clip. Not looking so ratchet. Hey, I'm back. I decided to straighten my hair. Now I'm conflicted between cutting it or not because I love the way it looks when it's sleek. I'm out of breath. I just had to run downstairs to open the door for my mother-in-law, but she should be coming in a few minutes. So I'm gonna clean up my table real quick and then throw my shoes on so that I can go speak to the people at my job in HR. So I'll pick you guys back up when I'm in the car. Look at me in my Puerto Rican mask. I love this mask. My dad gave it to me when he came up to stay for 2 weeks when I thought he was staying permanently, but didn't stay because he sucks. But you know the deal. Okay, so my hair was straight as you saw, but of course it's raining outside when I come outside, so now I look like a freaking troll doll. So now I gotta put it up. So let me update you real quick because I forgot to pick you guys back up when I got in the car. So basically my job extended my leave for about like 2 weeks, and then I can start maternity leave 28 days prior to my C-section or due date, without any medical documentation. So there's that. So everything worked out, and I have a funeral to go to tomorrow, and my doctors just called me, so they rescheduled my ultrasound for Saturday at 1, so I can go to the funeral with my boyfriend now because his aunt passed away. Rest in peace. You know, so yeah, I'm gonna do that. And then as you can see in the clip before this, a whole tank of lobsters. I got mine steamed. I'm about to go munch on a delicious ass lobster, some garlic butter, some totones. If you're not Hispanic, you don't know with some lettuce, baby. Alright, so I'm super hungry, so I need to go get this started now. So yeah, I just wanted to update you guys, so I will show you guys what my lobster looks like when it is done. So I have my lobster here, nice and cut open in the middle. I added some garlic butter, threw it in the oven for 5 minutes. Even though it's steamed, I like that to be nice and hot when I eat it. And then I got my totones, some lettuce, and some garlic butter here, and a nice bottle of water right there. So I'm about to chow down, and yeah, I'll see you in a few. So I finished eating my lobster. I feel like a whale now. I just got 2 orders of press-on nails that I need to do, so I'm probably gonna hop off vlogging and call it a day. Complete those orders of nails. I already have one of them done and in stock, but the other one I have to make. So yeah. So if you guys enjoyed this little cute vlog, then just comment down below, drop a thumbs up, and please don't forget to hit that subscribe button before you go. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.